Question 1, finish the lyrics.
Bibi ka? Bibi ka? Gising na ikaw.
And you pass the Pinoy Brain Rot exam. If you get 5 out of 6, then you have reached the Pinoy status. Question 2, what is this man about to say?
Macdo sa Pasig. Utang ina mo!
Question 3, what is this boy about to say?
Ito ang tinatawag na snake. Snake dragon.
If you're 3-3, I genuinely feel bad for you. Question 4, what is this guy about to say?
Oh my God!
Oh my God. Question 5, who is this guy? That's the Pinoy Junkler. Final question. Don't forget to comment your score. If you get this one wrong, you need to lock in and scroll TikTok for couple hours. What does this poor guy about to say?
Siyawa mo na, oy! Lago, pakyo ninyo tanan, mga bugo kayo mo!